Lurgan Antrim Road is a very crazy crossing.
Lurgan's crazy, man.
Could be another Enterprise or another, maybe an Emerald or MPV, maybe or an Express or a Trainbow, maybe. 3006 is the Trainbow. I didn't expect for this to come down this time again. So it's 5 o'clock. My god, the time's flying in. I didn't think it would come down yet again.
Quick.
Yeah. If only if it triple stud. I hear it. I think I hear it. There's me right there. Oh, there it is.
Right. We got another.
I think it's an Express maybe, or one to go Victoria Street. And up I go. Was in the Trainbow.
Come on, keep moving.
Yeah, hurry up.